Let's explore what's really going on when your nose suddenly explodes. Sneezes are your body's way of forcefully clearing irritants from your nose and throat, sometimes even caused by sunlight or strong emotions. Your brain detects an invader, sending signals to your muscles, and boom, achoo, that air flies out at nearly 100 miles per hour. You don't stop your heart, and you can't keep your eyes open. So next time you sneeze, remember to thank your amazing nervous system. Be sure to hit follow for more mind-blowing science facts daily.